Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video to kind of go over what I'm noticing, even just from today on our and yesterday on our new unit. We started a new unit yesterday. For some of you, you started it today. Fourth hour started it today. Um, Given that we're in a new unit, we need to make sure that we're staying caught up on our assignments. I've got about 50% of students who did not do the assignment. So what's going to happen tonight at 11:59 is that assignment is going to close. I'm not reopening it. So you can still see the assignment and you can see the questions, and what you're going to have to do, because it's now considered late, is you're going to have to do your assignment on a separate sheet of paper and send me a picture of your assignment. Um, Opening up assignments, I know it sounds like it's really easy, but I don't know who's doing what, when, why, where, why, and how, and all that stuff if you do it late. So this is my way to keep track of like who's turning in late work. But also, if you were absent, you would be turning something into me another time anyway. So this is just another way for you to turn your work in. So just as a reminder, everything does shut down at 11:59 um, on that date. Actually, some of them are usually the second day. And then if it's closed and you don't have a grade for that assignment, you can absolutely do it again, but I will not be opening it back up. You will have to do your assignment on a separate sheet of paper and email me a picture of the assignment. So if there's any questions on that, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope to see a lot more of you tomorrow. I am live teaching, and my video for tomorrow actually doesn't really, I mean, it's a good video, but I'm going to teach it a lot differently than the video does, and a lot quicker. So if I were you, I would tune in because we did make some changes to the quiz today. So I will be going over that on like when during our Google Meet times, either tomorrow or on Thursday. So hope to see you guys tomorrow or Thursday. Have a good night.